Hello guys and welcome to Cooking Peruvian Cuisine with me, Daniel. Today we have very classic drinks in Peru. We have Pisco Sour and Chilcano, and we are making two variations of them. We have the regular one, which is with limes, and strawberry. Pisco is one of the most traditional liquors in Peru. You can drink it straight or mix the way we are doing it now, but be careful because it could be very local. But it's very fun and I have a lot of memories with it. So let's do it! Here we have ginger beer, or you can use ginger ale. Now we have pisco, we have syrup, strawberries and sugar. Finally, for aroma, we're gonna use bitter. Here we have egg whites, lime juice, pisco, syrup, or we can also make our own syrup with strawberries and sugar, and bitter. For pisco sour, we're gonna add lime, pisco, the same amount, an egg white, and syrup, the half amount of pisco. Now we add ice and to the blender. Now that you blended it for 2 minutes, it's very foamy thanks to the egg white. And we'll finish it up with a little bit of bitter. Now we can decorate it with a lime, so we know it's a lime. Now for Chilcano, we add ice first, then pisco, then syrup, now ginger beer, now we mix it. We put a little bit of bitter on top, and we finish it up with a lime. Now we're gonna make the syrup. We're gonna put it in the blender. First strawberries and sugar. Now that we have blended very uniformly, we're gonna put it into a pot. And now we are gonna bring it to. Now we are going to reduce it until it's creamy. Now we're going to strain it. Now look at the texture. It's a little liquid but a little thick. Now we're going to make pisco sour. We start with pisco, Then we add syrup we previously made. Has to be cold, remember. The same amount. I like to add a little bit of lime juice, egg white, and ice. Now we just take it to the blender. Now that it's all blended, put it in a glass. Decorate it so we know it's a strawberry Pisco. And there you go. Now for the Chilcano de fresa, which is a strawberry Chilcano, we start with ice, Pisco, our strawberry syrup that we previously made, I'm just completing the cup. I like to add always a little bit of lime. We pour it with ginger beer, mix it, and we'll finish with bitter on top. Now we'll decorate it with strawberry. And there you go. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and let me know in the comments if you need to know any other recipe or you like me to do something weird. You know what would go well with these drinks? I have a delicious salsa here. Which is gonna be our next video, unless you ask me for something different. Oh, what a great mix. Hey, wait, no, what are you eating? Now we're gonna make the syrup. Now we put the strawberries in the blender. No, otra vez. ¿Qué se me cayó? Now we're gonna make the syrup. We're gonna put it. No. Now for making Chilcano, first we'll start with ice. As much as you want.